former member of the San Andres Lubot Tagapangayaba for 25 long years. Visit her small sari-sari store. She produces her own vegetable plantation to sell at her stall, and sometimes she gives all vegetables away to neighbor and friends. Very generous. Our next awardee, let's all give a round of applause for Elena Huit.
Magandang po sa inyo lahat. Salamat po sa pagtitiwala ng Lord sa inyong makasalo po ako sa
Kulit lang, wala kang boses ma.
Ako
Paot.
po si Lina Sumilawit, 68 years old, katira sa Doctors Ladwell, sa Landwest Pagkasan.
Hindi si mama.